Hello students. Today we are going to start a new topic which is guarantee of profit. First I will explain what is guarantee. Guarantee means assurance to give a minimum amount of profit to a partner. A partner may be admitted into the firm with a guarantee of minimum profit, which means that if his share of profit is less than that of guaranteed profit, then he would be paid the guaranteed share of profit. Now, different conditions regarding guarantee of profit. This can be all the remaining partners in an agreed ratio or one or more of the existing or old partners. So first I will explain point A, all the remaining partners in an agreed ratio. All the remaining partners in an agreed ratio, which means suppose A, B and C are partners in a firm and C is admitted as a new partner. So here C will be called guaranteed partner and A and B guaranteeing partner because they have given guarantee to C of minimum profit. Let's have an example to understand it better. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 4:2:1. It is provided that C's share in profit would not be less than rupees 37,500. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was rupees 1,57,500. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Students, in this question they have not given any specified information that if any deficiency will be there, then who is going to bear that deficiency, which means if C's share of profit will not be rupees 37,500, then who is going to bear how much amount? So in this type of question, when the question is silent about the guarantee, then we need to follow the mutual ratio system. Mutual ratio means the ratio of the remaining partners. As in this example, the ratio of A, B and C is 4:2:1 and 1/7 is the ratio of C. So the mutual ratio between A and B, those who are going to bear deficiency, the ratio will be 4:2, which is called mutual ratio. So let's practice it. So students, now we will have one question for the better understanding. Vikas and Vivek were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st of April 2018, they admitted Vandana as a new partner for 1/8 share in the profits with a guarantee of profit with rupees 1,50,000. New profit sharing ratio between Vikas Vivek will remain same, but they decided to bear any deficiency on account of guarantee to Vandana in the ratio of 3:2. Profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2019 was rupees 9 lakh. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account of Vikas, Vivek and Vandana for the year ended 31st March 2019. So students, first we need to understand question. In this question, Vikas and Vivek together given guarantee to Vandana that your profit will not be less than 1,50,000. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम तुम्हारा कैलकुलेशन करते हैं 9 लाख का 1/8, अगर वो 1,50,000 से कम आता है तो हम दोनों मिलके जो भी डेफिशिएंसी होगी उसे 3:2 में बियर करने के लिए रेडी हैं. मतलब तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट 1,50,000 ही होगा. भले ही हमारा कम हो लेकिन तुम्हारा 1,50,000 से कम नहीं होगा. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल सॉल्व इट. You look and keep it in your mind that if in first time you will get, it will be really very fruitful for you. So student, as in the question we are having 3 partners, Vikas and Vivek, and Vandana is admitted as a new partner for 1/8 share. So the profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 is written rupees 9 lakh. So as we are writing in the P&L appropriation account, we will write the same by P&L account net profit rupees 9 lakh. Now this 9 lakh rupees, we will go in working note 9 lakh, and Vandana is coming for 1 by 8. Now if Vandana is coming for 1 by 8, which means of rupees 9 lakh she will take 1 by 8, then 1 lakh 12,500. As in the question directly it is given, the Vandana will have 1,50,000 rupees, as A and B has given guarantee to her. Guarantee कितने का है? 1,50,000, and she is getting only 1,12,500. So now there is some deficiency. So how we are going to calculate that deficiency? We will write deficiency is equals to guarantee minus actual profit which she is getting. So the deficiency is of rupees 37,500. This is the deficiency which Vandana is having in her guaranteed shares. So first we will write here to profit transfer to partners capital account. So there are three partners. First is Vikas. Here you leave one line, Vikas, then Vivek and Vandan. Okay, so out of this 9 lakh, $1,12,500 is of Vandana's share. So what we will do, out of this 9 lakh, 1,12,500, which means 7,87,500 is the remaining share which we are going to distribute among Vikas and Vivek. And what is the ratio of Vikas and Vivek? 3:2. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 of rupees 7,87,500 is, here also I am doing working note. So Vikas 7,87,500 into 3 by 5. So Vikas will get rupees 4,72,500, and Vivek 7,87,500 into 2 by 5. So Vivek will get 3,15,000. विवेक को इतना और विकास को इतना मिला, but they both have given guarantee in the question that Vandana's share will not be less than 1,50,000, which means anyhow the firm have to give to Vandana rupees 1,50,000, which she is not getting. She is getting only 1,12,500. So the deficiency of rupees 37,500 we are going to take from Vikas and Vivek, because it is given in the question. What you see in the question, what they are telling, any deficiency on account of guarantee to Vandana in the ratio 3:2, which means any deficiency, if any deficiency will be there for Vandana, so then Vikas and Vivek will want this deficiency in the ratio 3:2. So now with the simple step what we need to do, नाउ वी आर हैविंग शेयर ऑफ विकास एंड विवेक. विकास का शेयर है 4,72,500 एंड विवेक का है 3,15,000. Okay, so the deficiency of rupees 37,500 which they are going to go on in the ratio 3:2, which means 3/5 इसका deficiency कौन दे देगा? विकास. और इसी deficiency का 2/5 विवेक दे. So when we are going to calculate 37,500 into 3/5, so we will get 22,500. 22,500 and 37,500 into 2/5 is equals to 15,000, which we are going to take from Vivek. So Vikas will give rupees 22,500 out of 4,72,500. ओके, इसमें से वो वंदना को कितना दे देगा? 22,500. और इसमें से विवेक वंदना को कितना दे देगा? 15,000. सो फ्रॉम देयर शेयर वी आर गोइंग टू डिडक्ट दिस अमाउंट बिकॉज दिस अमाउंट दे हैव गिवन गारंटी टू वंदना. सो वी विल राइट फर्स्ट हियर विकास 4,72,500 माइनस कितने का गारंटी दिया उसने? 22,500. ओके, तो यहां पे आ जाएगा विकास का कितना शेयर है? 4,50,000. सेम वी विल कैलकुलेट फॉर विवेक ऑल्सो. उसका शेयर है कितना? 3,15,000. उस केस में से कितना दे देंगे हम? 15,000, क्योंकि उसका कैलकुलेशन इतना है. देन इसका शेयर कितना हो गया? 3 लाख. और वंदना जिसका एक्चुअल शेयर आ रहा था 112500 प्लस इसने किससे लिया है? पहला विकास से लिया. विकास इज गिविंग 22,500 and Vivek is giving 15,000. Then the total amount which is given guarantee to her 1,50,000. So 9 lakh this side, 9 lakh this side. Okay, question over. Guarantee is not as much as tough. We can understand it very nicely if we will clear our concept about it. So first what we need to calculate? First we need to calculate the deficiency of guaranteed partner, which means if we will know the deficiency, then only we will have a next step. So first, as I have calculated, 1/8 किसका शेयर था? वंदना. वंदना को विकास और विवेक ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि तुम्हारा शेयर 1,50,000 से कम नहीं होगा. सो 1,50,000 तो नहीं हुआ, उसको मिल रहा था 1,12,500. सो नाउ उसको गारंटी मिला है. एनी हाउ दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए पर उसको 1,50,000 रुपीज देना ही पड़ेगा. सो 1,50,000 जो उसका एक्चुअली में मिलना चाहिए और उसको मिल कितना रहा है? 1,12,500. So I have calculated deficiency. 1,50,000 minus 1,12,500 is equals to 37,500. This 37,500 in the question we need to read कि how the partners are going to bond the deficiency. जो क्वेश्चन कह रहा है उसी के हिसाब से डेफिशिएंसी बॉर्न होगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हर बार इनके रेशो से कैलकुलेट. क्वेश्चन में क्लियर मेंशन है कि अगर कोई डेफिशिएंसी होगा द डेफिशिएंसी द पार्टनर्स आर गोइंग टू बियर इन द रेशो 3:2. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन 3:2. अगर वो कहते सिर्फ विकास देगा तो मैं सिर्फ विकास के इसमें से माइनस करती, सिर्फ विवेक देगा तो मैं विवेक के इसमें से माइनस करती। अगर वो क्वेश्चन में कहते कि दे विल बॉर्न दिस डेफिशिएंट, दे आर गोइंग टू बी बॉर्न दिस डेफिशिएंसी इक्वली, तो मैं इसके दो इक्वल पार्ट करके इन दोनों के रेशो में से माइनस करती। सो वॉट एवर क्वेश्चन इज टेलिंग दैट ओनली वी हैव टू फॉलो. Okay, so first we will calculate the deficiency. Afterwards we will see in the question this deficiency who is going to bear. So in the question it is clearly mentioned that Vikas and Vivek are going to bear this deficiency. So 37,500, and they have given clearly in the question that they are going to bear this deficiency in the ratio 3:2. That is why I have calculated 37,500 into 3 by 5, so 22,500. And 37,500 into 2 by 5, 15,000. This two amount we are going to take from their shares. तो हमने सबसे पहले क्या किया है, 9 लाख में से वंदना का शेयर माइनस किया है। 9 लाख में से मैंने क्या किया है, वंदना का शेयर माइनस किया है। ठीक है, एक और स्टेप है, तो मतलब ये कि मैंने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट 9 लाख में से 112500 माइनस किया है, तो मेरे पास आया है 787500। और ये जो 787500 आया है उसका पहले मैंने इन दोनों के रेशो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, इनको इतना इतना मिल रहा है, बट वंदना की डेफिशिएंसी आ रही है 37,500, दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव डिडक्टेड दिस अमाउंट फ्रॉम दी विकास एंड विवेक्स शेयर. So when we will write here, first we will write by P&L account net profit rupees 9 lakh. As I have written to profit transfer to partners capital account, that is why directly we can write Vikas, Vivek and Vandana. So Vikas share is 4,72,500. Out of this, he is going to give 22,500 to Vandana. So that is why we will deduct from his share. So his share, now his final profit will come 4,50,000. Vivek share is Vivek is having 3,15,000, out of which 15,000 he is going to give to Vandana. That is why 3,15,000 minus 15,000, so 3 lakh will be the final profit of Vivek. Vandana एक्चुअली में हमने कितना निकाला है, 1,12,500. कहाँ से, यहाँ से. उसको गारंटी कितने की दी है, 1,50,000. सो 22,500 वो इससे ले रहा है और 15,000 वो विवेक से ले रहा है, इसीलिए इन तीनों को मैंने ऐड किया है. ऐड करने के बाद जो अमाउंट आया है वो मैंने बाहर निकाल दी. सो इस तरह से नाउ फाइनल शेयर ऑफ विकास विल बी 4,50,000, विवेक 3 lakh and Vandana 1,50,000, which she has given guarantee by the partner. Okay, so this is the question. You please solve it once again. If you are not getting, then ask. One more question I am giving, so you please pay attention and solve it. This question is not in your book. First you solve it and reply me your answer. Thank you.